Alright friends, in this lesson I will show you how to run Java codes as a second method. So I come here and I am in the desktop. I open my test folder and then I create test2. I right click new and folder. I create test2. Okay, so I right click and I say open with code. You see my main folder is test, but inside my test folder I have test folder and test2 folder. Okay, so I say new file. I right click and say new file. I will give my file name. So I say app.java. Okay, I copy these commands from test folder. I copy these and then I come here. I paste to the app.java. I paste here. Okay, I save it. So for running this, I can do this operation. I open my terminal and then I say new terminal. I need to go inside the test2 folder. So that's why I use cd command. I say cd and then what's my folder name? Test2. I'm inside the test2 folder. First, we need to compile the Java file. So for doing this, I use javac command. Javac and then what's my name of Java file? app.java. app.java. Okay, I compile it. Right now I am ready to run it. So to run the compiled code, I say Java and then I give my file name, which is app.java. Okay. Whenever I click enter, you see hello world appears on the screen. Okay, there are two ways to run Java programs. Method 1, I show you in previous lesson. We open a Java project and we just right click and choose run code. And in a single project, we do all coding operation. It's good for small or single file projects. Method 2, I show you in this lesson. It's better for multiple files. I will use this method because I have many Java files or exercise in this course. So I will do around 250 exercise. That's why I will use this method. I haven't just one single project. I will open new project all the time. I will show you new exercise. That's why I will use this method. I hope you understand the logic. You can use both methods depending on your needs. See you in the next lesson.